Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a cool video, as you can see by the thumbnail as always. It's a haul video, kind of a mini haul. But first, wanted to mention someone who sent me their shop card and a cool sticker. And it's Mark Martell, and it's Blue Streak Customs. And Mark sent a sticker, cool sticker with his logo. And he also sent this cool shop card that's double-sided. Blue Streak Customs. Chevelle on the front there, or the back. I think this is the front. This is the glossy side. Then on the back, you've got a sure enough street rod. It says, "Just build it your way. Custom one, custom all." Thank you, Mark, for doing that. And I will link Mark's channel, Blue Streak Customs, on YouTube in my description of this video. Thank you very much for that. Something else that is very special is I have a friend that he and I go back and forth on Messenger, and he says, "Hey, I'm sending you something." I had no idea what it was. We had talked back and forth. I mentioned I want to Pro Street that Volkswagen Scirocco. Yes, I probably pronounced that wrong. And yes, I'm sure somebody in the comments will let me know. Scirocco. Anyway, I want to Pro Street it, but I was like, I don't know what chassis to use under it. He mentioned a few of them. Rob did. This is the guy I'm talking about. And he says, "I'm sending you something in the mail." And again, I had no idea what it was. And to my I was very surprised when both of these showed up. So the cow drag combo showed up, and the Grumpy's Vega showed up. I'm like, holy cow. And his idea was I might could use this chassis under that, or the chassis under the Volkswagen, or possibly the Grumpy's Vega, because it's a much smaller, the car is much smaller. So Rob was looking out for me to try and find me something that would possibly work under that Volkswagen. Rob, you don't know how much I appreciate this. Number one, you spent your hard-earned money on these kits, and it will not go unappreciated, I promise you. And they will get built, whether it's hacked up and tried to stick it up under a Volkswagen or what. But how cool is this? You guys are the best. I really appreciate this, Rob. Thank you so much for sending me these. It is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for that. And I can't wait to get these opened and just check them out. I mean, this thing's got two cars in it. It's got a Galaxy and a trailer and a Falcon gasser. Wow. Unbelievable. Thank you so much. I got to get them open and check out those chassis to see which one may best fit. Alright, so I previously in another video had talked about, I stopped at a antique shop in North Georgia and found some Renwal kits. It was the little Corvettes, and those Corvettes, at least the one I got, had two bodies, two chassis, two sets of tires, two instructions. It's like a double kit. I didn't buy them all. I didn't have the money to buy them all when I was there. My mom went to the mountains recently, and she said, "Hey, I'm going by that place. Do you want me to stop?" Hey, is this a great mom or what? Do you want me to stop excuse me, and see if they have any more model kits? And I'm like, well, yeah, you can. I mean, I'm sure they're probably all gone right by now. And she calls me back. She says, no, they're here. And and so she shows up with 4 more of these Renwal 65 Corvette Stingray kits. These are from 1966, 1/48 scale, and guess what? Every single one is a double kit. There's 2 cars. There's no display case like there's supposed to be, but there's 2 kits. Each one has 2 instructions. There's 2 chrome trees. There's 2 bodies. It's like, I don't know what. I got a comment on but when I opened up, did an unboxing on one of these, the one that I have, or do I have 2? I have one of these previously. And Butch at BK Model Cars, he left a comment, and he was just playing. It was like Renwal factory. Employee says, "Hey boss, we're out of display cases." Boss replies and says, "I'll just put 2 kits in there, they'll be happy." But anyway, yeah, each one of these has 2 sets of, well, there's only 1 set of instructions there, but there's 2 bodies. It's like, I don't know what happened at Renwal that day or that week, but somebody was either getting back at the boss, or it was just simply because they ran out of display cases, because there's no display cases in these like they're supposed to be. But anyway, 1966 kits, brand spanking new. These things are in such great shape, and I won't even tell you how cheap we got them. But there's 4 more. So that makes 5 of these 65 Corvette Renwals that I have. 5! I can't believe it. I'm going to have to build at least one. Okay, while she was there, she says, "Hey, there's this one too." And she said it was another Renwal kit. This kit is from 1974. As you can see, the logo had changed with Renwal. And this is a 31 Cadillac Phaeton. And it's all there. The box has a little more wear on this box, but everything, look at this, it's still in its plastic. The chrome tree's in its plastic. There's your little body, chassis, seats, everything there. Your tires are in here. Check it out. Isn't that cool? 31 Cadillac Phaeton by Renwal. Oh, 1/48 scale as well. Then she says, "Hey, there's these." She got these 2. These are Revell 1/48 scale 32 Ford Coupe. 32 Ford Coupe Revell. These are from 70. Let's see, it's on here. 1978 is the date on these kits here. And yeah, 1978. Take the box top off of one of these and let you see what's in there. Uh-oh, this one has a note. That has a Baylock 594. Blaylock 594. I have no idea what that means, but that's been in there since 1994. But here's your little, hey, this reminds me of Kim's channel. They're doing the 32 Ford tribute build. That'd be cool. I need to do one of these. Look at that little 32 Ford body. That's something. Here's the little the chassis and fenders and all built together. There's the seat and the little teensy weensy spoke tires and the real rubber tires. I mean the spoke wheels rather. I'm sorry, misspoke there. And the rubber tires on a rubber tire tree. And the bottom of the engine, because it is a curbside, but it does have the lower portion of the engine, has the windshield, the grill, cool little grill there, and the headlights, and a few other little things. And the cool miniature Revell 32 Ford instructions. Too cool. And I got 2 of these. Got to thank my mother for doing that, thinking of me, going and stopping and looking and grabbing these, and they gave her a steal of a deal. Not quite a steal, but it was a great deal, to say the least. Yep, and let me open them both and make sure they're both. Yep. All right, well that's this haul. It's kind of mini, you know, like I say, mini haul. Other than the 2 full size here that Rob sent me. Thank you so much, Rob. Thank you, Mom, and thank you, Mark, for sending your shop card and your sticker. The sticker will be going up, and the shop card will be too. And how cool is this? So, guys, don't forget, I'll link his channel in the description below. Well, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that subscription button. Helps me out tremendously. Like the video, share it, whatever you can do to promote it. Join our Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. It's linked in the description of this video. Go check it out, as well as Hobby Nut Models. Go check out that great MCW paint that Mark carries over there, as well as a kit. Go get you a Grumpy's Vega. Go get you a cow drag combo. Whatever he's got a vast selection of model kits over there. Go check out Hobby Nut Models. Linked in the description. Use that link there. It will benefit me greatly. Thank you so much for that. Also, the Teespring store, and thank you so much to my Patreon members. You don't know how much I appreciate you guys. We're going to do another live stream really soon. I'll let you know ahead of time so we can coordinate it around everyone's schedule. I want everybody to be on there this time. Missed a few last time, but I'd like to have them all on there, and we just have a great time just talking about these things, model kits. And yeah, if you want to be a Patreon member, get some extra stuff, link in the description below. Thanks, guys, for watching this video, and until next time, hey, we'll see you later, and maybe we'll build one of these little guys. Be a lot of fun. I've only got 2, 4, 6, 8. I've only got 10 of these now. 2 in each box. How cool is that? See you guys later. Bye.